Shenzhen SHLED Technology Company Limited is located in a National Economic Development Zone, Shenzhen City. It's a service-oriented production enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales. The company has SHLED brand, a series of outdoor LED products. We focus on LED pixel dot, 3D LED ball light, LED facade light, LED media mesh screen, LED linear light, etc., and provide customized OEM and ODM solution with all related product and software for the project, with strong after-sales engineer for technique support on the site. Widely used in landscape lighting, architectural lighting, and urban light projects. The product of SHLED have been sold to more than 60 countries and regions, such as America, Russia, Australia, Arab Emirates, Vietnam, Korea, etc. SHLED has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001 Quality Management System Certificate, has complete independent intellectual property rights. The products have obtained international certificates such as CE, ROSE, FCC. Its high-quality products, leading technology, excellent business philosophy, and complete pre-sales and after-sales service, SHLED has become a well-known brand in the domestic lighting industry. In recent years, it's rapidly moving towards the world and striving to create a global outdoor LED brand, offering the right solution for almost every imaginable lighting problem. We are committed to constantly improve our product quality to bring more value to our customer.